Mazel tov.
You move your right hand down to your lap, you just touching your other hand like that.
First, you know what? It does look better now that you're actually posing. Some outfits are just made to be posed and modeled in.
Right.
And that's it.
Maybe a half step back. There.
This dress like
How does I never remember? She loves me.
Is she crazy?
Right there.
So Rob, am I allowed to bring her to any shoot of ours?
Yes.
Oh, great. Can I get photos of this? I'm probably would be like a
Sure.
activity right now. Oh, probably. You'll probably force me to do it.
I'm pretty persuasive.
I'm not.
Actually, if you look through my portfolio, most of them work models before meeting me.
Straight up.
That's good, good. Okay. Go falling.
I was hoping to get the fall, like the angle of my fall in it.
Kind of.
What size are we?
Move your elbow
6.
back out a little bit so we get nice. So you get some geometry on the shot.
You know what? You could probably borrow some shoes from my mom. She's a size 6. If you feel like what to feet into them. Because you know what? She has nice shoes, like really nice shoes. It's good. Actually, no, it's what you said though. Me too. But you know what? It's great because laughing is my favorite thing to do. And can you do behind the scenes shot just so I can post this one on my story for Profoto? Please, Rococo.
Okay, that same pose again, would you move your hair towards the front of you? Okay.
What'd you get?
Okay, facing my corner there again.
So I'm
and
impressed.
the hair in front of you. Perfect. And then looking, yes.
Oh, that was
Okay,
cute.
with your right hand up, like that, yes. And your left hand maybe on your waist, just so I can see, yeah, I just want to see your hand. Nice.
That was cute.
Yes, good geometry. Circles and triangles and everything here.
Rhombuses? A rhombus sounds like it's too round.
Oh,
It does.
what happened there?
I don't like it.
Oh, that's good. Same thing with the facing the other pretend corner.
You know what else drives me crazy?
And don't fall over.
Baked, don't worry. But
Okay,
still
and
doing
the left hand can be up the same kind of way.
that angers me so
Like
much.
that, yes. Oh, actually,
English
I like that one.
It is then. Basically,
Nice.
we're talking.